वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की fateh. In today's lecture, we are going to look at the unique sounds. There are 5 letters which give us the unique sound. If you know a little bit of Hindi, you will know that these letters exist in Devanagari Lipi also. But the main difference between the letters of Gurmukhi and Devanagari is the sound. The letters exist in the other language also, but the sounds are different. These 5 sounds are very unique in Gurmukhi, or you can say in Punjabi. So let's see what these 5 letters are. The first one is Kagga. This is Kagga and it gives the sound of K. The second one is Chajja. It gives the sound of Ch. The third one is Tadda. It gives the sound of T. The fourth one is Tadda. It gives the sound of T. The fifth one is Pabba. These are the 5 letters which give us the unique sounds. Before giving the examples, let me give the corresponding sounds or letters which exist in Devanagari Lipi or in English. We will understand it in a better way when we have the examples. So before Kagga, I will be having Gagga in Gurmukhi. Before Chajja, I will be having Jajja. Before Tadda, I will be having Dadda. Before Tadda, I will be having Dadda. And before Pabba, I will be having Babba. These are the letters which come before these letters. Let's have the examples also to make it understand in a better way. From Kagga, we have the example of Kar. In the earlier videos, we have already learned how to make the Punjabi words. So from Kagga, I am going to have Kar. Let me write it here using Gurmukhi letters. In Hindi, you will be pronouncing it as Ghar. So the sound of Kagga will be coming here. But in Punjabi, we do not say Ghar, we say Kar. You have to say it with a force. Kar. In a similar way, from Chajja, we can have this Indian state, Jharkhand. In English or in Hindi, we use the sound of somewhat this letter, Jharkhand, right? But in Punjabi, we don't say Jharkhand, we say Jharkhand, Chajja, Jharkhand. From Tadda, we can have the capital of Bangladesh, which is Dhaka. In English, we say Dhaka. Dhaka, right? This dh sound will be there. No, we need to have this sound, tadda. So instead of Dhaka, it will be Taka. Tada, ta. Okay. From tada, we can have the example of term. Taram or Dharma. In English, we say Dharma, right? Somewhat the sound of Dada. It is not Dharma, it is Dharma, or we say in Punjabi Taram. Taram. The last example is for the letter Pabba. From Pabba, we can have Bhakti. Instead of saying Bhakti, in English we say Bhakti. The sound of B will be there. Just remember, when it comes to the unique sounds of the Gurmukhi letters, these 5 letters, you are not going to use the sounds of these letters. If in the beginning it is a little tough to master the sounds of these 5 letters, it is okay. In the beginning, everything is okay. We all are learning here. But just remember, when you are reading the words starting from Gagga, you are not making the sound of Gagga. Let's revise it again to make sure we understand what we are discussing here. This is Kagga. It is going to give the sound of K. This is Gagga. It is going to give the sound of G. K, G. And the example here is Kar. Kar, not Ghar. The second letter is Chajja. This is going to give the sound of Ch, and this is Jajja. Jajja is going to give the sound of J. The example here is not Jharkhand but Charkhand. Ch, J. The third letter is Tadda. Tadda is going to give the sound of T, and Dadda is going to give the sound of D. T, D. And the example that we have here is not Dhaka but Taka. Alright? The fourth letter is Tadda. Tadda is going to give the sound of T, and Dadda is going to give the sound of the. The. And the example here is not Dharma but Tarma or Taram. In Punjabi we say Taram. The last letter is Pabba. Pabba is going to give the sound of P, and Babba is going to give the sound of B. The example here is not Bhakti but Pagti. Let's say it again. Kagga Ka, Chajja Cha, Tadda Ta, Tadda Ta, Pabba Pa. If you still have any confusion or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.